Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, showcasing this beautiful world of home interiors. Today, we invite you to step into this mesmerizing European theme house where every corner tells you a story of timeless elegance and meticulous craftsmanship. Throughout this house, every element has been carefully curated to evoke a sense of timeless charm. From the shiplap designs that adds depth and character to walls to the intricate moldings that adorn ceilings and doorways. Each detail whispers the tales of old world grandeur. As we enter the drawing room, our eyes are drawn to the magnificent mantel, a symbol of warmth and sophistication. It's here that cherished moments are shared, enveloped in the embrace of executive design. Our journey begins with the stunning beveled glass partitions that gracefully divide space while allowing natural light to dance through, creating a seamless flow of energy and openness. In the master bedroom, a sanctuary of tranquility awaits. Here, a cleverly crafted pinewood partition creates a private study space, offering a retreat for contemplation and creativity within the comfort of home. Thank you for joining us. My favorite part of the house are many, not to mention the kitchen, the partition spaces, the puja unit. What is yours? Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.